Welcome back, crypto enthusiasts. Today, we'll answer a popular question: how much is one crypto in Rs? Let's dive right in. Cryptocurrency values can change rapidly, so keep in mind that the figures mentioned in this video might be different when you watch it. To get the most up-to-date information, use a reliable cryptocurrency exchange platform or trusted financial websites. To find the value of a cryptocurrency in Indian rupees, use a cryptocurrency exchange that supports INR trading pairs. XYZ Exchange is one such platform. Here's how you can check. Step 1. Go to XYZ Exchange's website or download their app. Step 2. Create an account and complete the verification process. Step 3. Log in and go to the trading section. Step 4. Select the cryptocurrency you want to check, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Ripple. Step 5. Choose the trading pair involving INR, example, BTC/INR, ETH/INR. Step 6. The platform will display the current value of the cryptocurrency in Indian rupees. Remember, cryptocurrency prices can change rapidly due to market fluctuations. The value you see now might be different in just a few minutes. Stay updated with real-time prices and market trends if you plan to buy or sell. CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, and Coinbase are popular financial websites. They provide comprehensive data on cryptocurrency prices, market capitalization, and trading volumes. Here's a bonus tip. Mobile apps like Blockfolio, CoinStats, and Crypto.com make it convenient to track cryptocurrency prices. They offer real-time tracking, portfolio management, and personalized alerts. Stay informed on the go. That's it for today. Remember, use trusted cryptocurrency exchanges, financial websites, or dedicated mobile apps to stay informed about crypto prices. Be cautious with investments and do your research. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more informative content. Leave your questions or suggestions in the comments below. Happy investing and take care.